How to change admin in Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the admin on your group, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to that group where you want to just change the admin. Just like this. Then here you can find the group name at the top. Now select it. Then here you can find edit option at the top. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and then here you can find administrators. Now select it. Now here you can find the add admin button. Now select it. And by doing this, simply choose the person that you want to promote to admin, just like this, and simply tap on to done. And now you can see the admin has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change admin in the group of the Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.